In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in Airtasker account. First of all, launch open Airtasker application. You can see over here the application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. In this interface, you'll be able to find two options over here, login, sign up. If you do not have the account yet, tap on the option sign up and you'll be able to sign up for your account. But if you want to log into your account, tap on this option login that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the login interface of Airtasker. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to log in to your account. You'll be able to see the login methods over here. You can either log in with your email address or you can also log in with Google and Facebook if you want. Simply tap on the login method that you used while creating your account. Here I'm just going to enter the email address. So if you also want to do that, tap on the field of email address and enter the email address over here. Now verify you are human. Simply check on this box that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, what you have to do is tap on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to another interface. Now over here, you'll have to enter the password. If you have forgotten your password, you can tap on this option, forget password, and you'll be able to recover it. Otherwise, simply enter your password over here. Now after you enter your password, tap on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll easily be logged in to your account. So that is how you log in Airtasker account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.